afternoon everyone. Myself Chandran Kumar Mangalawat, Assistant Professor of Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Indore. Today we discuss about the basal metabolic rate, the subject of human anatomy and physiology. Second, this content a study of introduction, definitions, BMR, measurement of BMR, normal values of BMR, factor affecting of BMR, basal metabolic rate and its significance. Introductions. Food is the fuel source of the body. The ingested food undergoes metabolism to liberate energy required for the vital activities of the body. Basically, it is contained the how to energy is required for the metabolism or food such as carbohydrate and proteins and fats. To the energies consumpted in the different cycles, such as glycolysis cycles, Krebs cycles, phospholipid cycles, or ENTP. It is contained the energy in form of the ATP. So the how many energy is required for the consumption of food, metabolism of food. So it is contained the calculate of metabolic rate. Men consume energy to meet the fuel demand of the three ongoing process in the body. First, basal metabolic rate, specific dynamic action and physical activity. Basal metabolic rate. Generally, what is basal metabolic rate? Minimum amount of energy required by the body to maintain life at complete physical and mental rest in post-abductive state. It is the complete physical and mental rest in post-abductive state. It is contained the how many energy required in the body to maintain the life. Several functions within the body occurs at basal conditions. Working of heart and other organs. Working of heart and other organs. How many energy required. Conduction of nerve impulse, such as conduction of nerve impulse, such as what is receptor and neurotransmitter attached in the nerve and electrophysiology of the nerve, action potential, सभी चीजें इसमें कंटेंट होती है. रीअब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द रिनल ट्यूबुल्स, ग्लोमेरुलरिटी, GI motility, such as gastrointestinal motility, and ion transport across membrane, such as action potential attained in the nerve impulse and heart rates. Measurement of BMR. How can calculate the measurement? Generally, BMR can be measured by the apparatus of Benedict and Roth. It is a closed circuit device or by Douglas-Beck methods open circuit device. The subject should be awake at complete physical and mental rest in post-abductive state. That is, the patient should not have taken anything by mouth for past 12 hours. जनरली इसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए अगर मान लो कोई पेशेंट ने 12 आवर तक कुछ माउथ में कुछ नहीं लिया है तो हम इसको इसे बोलते हैं पोस्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टेट, कंप्लीट रेस्ट स्टेट एंड इज कंफर्टेबल सराउंडिंग्स. इट इज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स फॉर द बेनेडिक्ट रोथ मेथड्स. जनरली इट इज लास्ट इन पोर्शन ऑफ माउथ पीस, वॉल, O2 inlets, rotatory cylinder covered with papers, pen on counterpads, and spirometer bell, water seals is content of the it is a thermometers to extend the temperatures, or spirometer chambers containing O2. It is the structure. The volume of oxygen consumed by the subject for a period of 2 to 6 minutes under basal condition is determined E. Basal condition determined E. The how many oxygen is consumed in the body. The standard calorific value CV calorific value of 1 liter of oxygen consumed is 4.825. It is a calculator of specific by the scientist. The E equal to 4.825. Heat produced in 6 minutes. In 6 minutes heat produced, it is calculated 4.825 into E. Heat produced in 1 hour, 4.825 E into 10. It is calculated by 1 hour. Body surface area. Body surface area. It is a BSA equal to H power 0.725 into weight power 0.425 into 71.84. H is a height and weight, W is a weight in kilograms. It is a BSF. It is a scientific calculated. It is the measurement ratios, feet, centimeter, surface area, pounds. It is a calculated of BMR. Total heat production in kilocalories per hour upon body surface area in square meters. It is a unit of basal metabolic rate. Normal values of BMR. Different factors are affected, such as adult men 35 to 38 calories square meter per hour, or 1600 calorie per day. Adult women 32 to 35 calories, 1400 calorie per day. A BMR value between 15% and plus 20% is considered normal. It is a normal condition. Men and women different size, different height, to the different BMR range. It is considered in the figures. Mainly factor affecting BMR, such as surface area. Surface area mainly affecting the BMR. How many surface area? It is a size, different height of the men and women's, directly proportional to surface area. Sex, men and women different BMR condition. Men have highly BMR. Men have marginally higher BMR, such as 5%. In age, different age. In children and adult, is also different of the BMR. In infant and growing children, BMR is higher because it is a conduction or heart impulse. It is higher. Heart rate is the higher, so the BMR is a high rate. In adult, the BMR decreases at the rate of 2% per decade of life. 2% of decade of life decreases the BMR, such as increase with the age. Physical activity increase with regular exercise. इंक्रीज भी रेगुलर से, अगर रेगुलर साइज ज़्यादा करते रहते तो उससे BMR बढ़ता रहता है. सच एज हार्मोन्स मेनली अफेक्टेड ऑफ द BMR. थायराइड हार्मोन इंक्रीज BMR, एपिनेफ्रिन, कॉर्टिसोल, सेक्स हार्मोन एंड ग्रोथ हार्मोन इंक्रीज BMR. इट इज एक्टिवेट द एक्शन पोटेंशियल, एक्टिवेट द सेल्स, so the hormone has increases the BMR, basal metabolic rate. Environments, BMR is higher in cold climates. Environment is mainly affected of the BMR compared to warm climates. Cold climates is higher BMR. Starvation, during starvation a decrease in BMR. अगर हम भूखे रहेंगे तो BMR हमारा कम हो जाएगा, up to 50% has been reported, क्योंकि उसमें एनर्जी की रिक्वायर्ड नहीं, एनर्जी हमें नहीं मिलेगी तो BMR बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट आपका कम हो जाएगा. इन फीवर में टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है तो इट इज मेनली फैक्टर ऑफ द टेम्परेचर्स, तो BMR इज इंक्रीजेस. फीवर इंक्रीजेस, BMR 10% increase for every 1 degree centigrade rise in body temperatures. Disease status, BMR is elevated in infections, leukemia, cardiac failure, hypertension. It is condition of the BMR is increases. So the heart rate increase, the BMR is increased. It is significance of the BMR. What is significance? Basal metabolic rate is important to calculate the caloric requirement of an individual and planning of diets, such as how many food taken in the body. So the how many calories required in various processes such as glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and the body mainly functions. How many calories? Such it is calculated by the BMR. Assessment of thyroid functions. BMR is below normal in starvation, under nutrition, addiction disease. BMR decreases in the addiction disease, starvation. BMR is above normal in fever, diabetes insipidus, leukemia and polycythemia. It is a normal conditions. Thank you.